Hello and welcome to the subject of morphology, lecture 1. And the first topic in morphology is what is a word? Because morphology is all about grammar of words. So let's discuss about it. A word is a set of characters representing an idea. Definition number 2, or the idea number 2, is a word may refer to a name, title, idea, or a message that we convey in our day-to-day life. Let's understand the first one. What is a word? A word is a set of characters, a set of letters. And when you combine a set of letters, it represents into an idea. It communicates an idea. It expresses an idea. This is basically the characteristic of a word. Go to the next definition. A word may refer to a name. A word may be referred to as a name. You can call anybody by any name. That may be a word. It may be a title. It may be idea or a message, and that we normally communicate in our day-to-day life. So this also qualifies to be in the characteristics of a word. We move on to the next. A well-known linguist, Bloomfield, has defined words as a minimum free form. Here we have two words, minimum, free. Minimum means that to the lowest point. You cannot further divide. That is the last point of division, minimum point of division. So a word has a minimum, and then you have free form. Free means that cannot be attached to any other word. It's free. So a word is a minimum free form, means that a word in itself is independent, cannot be further divided, and it has not to be attached with any other word, any other morpheme, and so on. So this definition is really quite comprehensive about a word. We move on to the next. A word is a linguistic unit. Of course, we are talking about linguistics, and morphology is a branch of linguistics. So a word is a linguistic unit, means that it is a complete unit in itself belonging to language. It is larger than a morpheme, but smaller than a phrase. So a word is a larger than a morpheme. Morpheme helps in making up of words that we can talk about later. What is morpheme when we move on to the next second and third lecture. But smaller than a phrase, and of course a word is smaller than a phrase. So these are some of the best definitions. Thank you.